I'm filming him.
Hey!
Where'd you get that gun that you got there, Lane?
Yeah, don't worry about it.
Oh, boy.
You can get acquainted with it in just a minute.
Get acquainted with it just a minute. Johnny, just take it like a man. He ain't gonna leave. Oh!
You gotta shoot back, Johnny. Come on. There you go. There you go. You gotta put a little cover out there, Johnny. Gotta lay down a little fire, man. Lay down a little firepower. There you go. There you go. Back him up, Johnny. You got him. You got him. You got him.
Look, he's so happy. This is so much fun to him. Look at him.
Eddie, cut that off.
Oh, it's a grenade. Link, run! Man, it smells good up here. Look at that old hat. It's completely sideways.
Come on, charge him, Johnny. Charge him. Come on.
But when he does, you gotta... when he does, you're going to
Lay down some firepower and charge him, Johnny.
Come on with it, son. What you got, boy?
Back him up, Johnny.
Open that barn door. Let's go.
Back him up, Johnny. Got some retros here.
Come on.
Wait, straighten your head up, Wink.
Oh, yeah, you can't get it.
Hey, boy.
Hey, boy.
Told you I smell like summer's eve.